Gallagher Asphalt Corporation helped pioneer hot-in-place recycling over 65 years ago. Today, we've refined it to an art. Using the materials from the existing pavement, hot-in-place recycling can literally stretch your resurfacing budget by as much as 30%. Let's take a look at the hot-in-place recycling process. Two pieces of equipment are utilized, a preheater and a heater scarifier. Together, they are less than 120 feet in length, which allows them to work nimbly in residential and urban settings as well as rural. First, radiant heaters on both the preheater and the heater scarifier use clean-burning propane to soften the existing asphalt to a temperature of approximately 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Both units are used in tandem to adequately heat the asphalt. Deep heating allows the replasticizing oil to penetrate the asphalt. Next, on the second unit, the heater scarifier, a rejuvenating agent is applied to help replasticize the old mixture, typically up to 1/10 of a gallon per square yard. Spring-loaded steel tines on the second unit disrupt the old surface, while augers continue to mix the rejuvenated and scarified material. The two rows of staggered steel tines are spring-loaded so as to not affect existing curbs, gutters, sewers, etc. This guarantees equal penetration in uneven areas of pavement. The reheated, rejuvenated, and remixed material is then put through a conventional paving screed on the back end of the heater scarifier, which redistributes the mixture to the proper slope and grade. Specified depths of 1 to 2 inches are tested and maintained throughout the process. Ring tests are performed according to contract requirements to confirm the proper amount of material is being applied, typically between 9 and 14 pounds depending on specifications. Finally, a steel double-drum vibratory roller compacts the hot asphalt to achieve density. The resulting fresh, smooth, dense surface is now completely usable for traffic. Our crew's unwavering attention to detail guarantees Gallagher will pass all state-mandated compaction analysis with flying colors.
The mat is nice and tight, there's not a lot of voids on the surface, so that should test out just fine. We want to obtain a compaction percentage between 95 and 102%. It says above the minimum density of 142.5, so we're in good shape. We got a 98.1% compaction. That is excellent. Our specification range is 94.5 to 102% of the target density.
Throughout the entire process, lanes only have to be temporarily restricted, not closed. A final wearing course must be applied by a local contractor or the agency to ensure the pavement is sealed and additional structure is added. Typical overlays include hot mix or chip seal with a fog seal. The final wearing course should ideally be installed within a week or two after the hot-in-place recycling process. Hot-in-place recycling not only saves agencies money by reducing the amount of new material needed by 50%, it also reduces the overall carbon footprint versus the conventional mill and overlay by 28%. Furthermore, hot-in-place significantly reduces user delays versus the conventional approach by virtually omitting the milling and required trucking. Agencies nationwide continue to benefit from hot-in-place recycling. Hot-in-place is long recognized as a DOT-approved process in well over 30 states and typically qualifies for state aid or motor fuel tax funding. Gallagher is committed to producing sustainable roadways. For more information, visit our websites or call 708-877-7160.